If an affordable, serene lakefront property is on your wish list, then here is your wish come true. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has potential for a 4th bedroom and has been meticulously maintained. We all envision summer days on the water when we think of the lake, but this winter, Pleasant Lake is transformed into a stunning winter wonderland that is the sight to behold. Enjoy continuing holiday traditions in this spacious kitchen with plenty of countertop space for baking seasonal treats. To enjoy your morning coffee, head out to the sunroom and soak in the view with the sunshine reflecting off the crystalline snow. If you like to entertain, the basement and bar are the perfect hangout area to enjoy good friends and good times. If you need a space to work, look no further than the office with built-in storage ready to use. Or if you need space, this room could be used as an additional bedroom. Enjoy relaxing in the living room with the picture-perfect view. This home has various updates making it ready for its new owners. No need to check your list twice. This amazing lake home would make Christmas extra nice. Call Ginger Miller to see it before it slips away.